Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and assemble the eggs benedict here. I already heated up my Canadian bacon. If I had a hot skillet I would have done it that way, but I just microwaved it in this case because I didn't have a hot skillet. So you just slap one of those on each of your English muffins, which I already toasted and buttered. I assume you know how to make toast. Then we'll just use our slotted spoon and fish out an egg for each one of these guys. It's too bad one of the yolks busted open on one of these when I put it into the pot of water, but we'll make do. And we'll grab our hollandaise sauce, which I already showed you how to make. And just drizzle them all with hollandaise sauce and you got homemade eggs benedict. I get a feeling that most people don't make eggs benedict at home. I feel like they're maybe a little intimidated and they think it's hard to do and they only get it when they go out to breakfast, but it's actually not that hard to do, and in my opinion eggs benedict is delicious. Then you can just dust it with a little bit more cayenne just for kind of garnish there. I like mine with avocado. Anyway, there you go, eggs benedict. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.